We're on our way to the Paris event. Keen to meet some of the eSkate.fr crew. I've been watching their stuff online for probably about 5 or 6 years. They seem to be pretty much at the top of their game in the DIY scene. Yeah, so it'd be good to ride with some of this crew, and then we've got some of the London posse coming out. Hey Namik, how you enjoying being on tour with Enertion?
Yeah, enjoying the tour, got a few battle scars, but yeah, enjoying it.
I met Nami in Australia at a music festival. Since then we've driven from Hungary to Portugal together, and we've road tripped around Australia and all around the US together. So I decided, you know, doing a tour on your own is pretty intense with all the filming, skateboarding, driving, and the logistics. So Nami's my backup man. Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah. Boom. Second. Hey dude. Yes. Good to see you. It's a 432 watt-hour battery, which is about 4 times that of the first boosted board. 432 watt-hours will get you about 40 Ks, will make about 35 Ks range if you ride efficiently. It's a very high-powered board, so you can put about 3,500 watts through it at full power, so you can get really high performance, but you can also get that long range if you just ride it out. It's the most powerful direct drive board on the market at the moment, against its competitors like Kuwheel and Meepo and boards like that. We've got the handles here, so you can carry it pretty confidently. It's about 10.5 kilos of weight, so it really helps with that handle when you go shopping and things like that. Really coarse grip tape, which is handy. Obviously you ride an electric skateboard a lot more than a normal skateboard. It gets, you know, grip tape like you have on those boards will last you a few months, and then you get a bit of dirt in there and then you don't have the grip anymore. So that's the board, and then we have the Nano X remote, which is pretty smooth remote. Just want to announce there's a competition running, so it's an Instagram photo competition. So if you take a photo with you and the board, and you can hashtag Enertion Raptor, which is the hashtag on my back here. Fun?
I like it. Nice.
Experience in the Raptor too. Is this actually your first go on the Raptor? Yeah. Oi, big moment. Good. Try?
You're not afraid of the speed?
Yeah.
It's very stable.
Yeah, it's designed with that in mind.
Yeah.
He's off. I can't even catch him, he's just gone. Amanda's got one of these awesome PSG full face helmets. I want to get one of these someday soon. Fun? Nice. Beautiful little French chalet de bosquet for our charge and our coffee. So it's an awesome event here in Paris. We're just here finishing up, charging our boards, having a little drink, and tomorrow we're off to Amsterdam. So keep an eye out. We're going to be riding with Fat Daddy skateboards. There should be about 20 or 30 of us cruising through Amsterdam, so see you then.